Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in Raid Shadow Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here click on Player Info option. Then tap on Change Username option. Here enter the username that you wanna change into. Then tap on Confirm button. So that is how you can change your username in Raid Shadow Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.